morning, guys. We are about to head out to a rice farm and experience planting rice for the first time in the Philippines. Let's go.
Yung mga magtatalok yata namin.
Bakit nag-uwi na?
Parang hindi.
Parang malilinis pa naman.
If those are the farmers because they're going home because it's flooded. Wala. Tapos tayo nito. So this is where we're supposed to do it.
Hindi maganda bukas maaga.
Eh, paano kung umulan?
Ala, hindi niya naman alam na walang talong.
Kaya nang kausap.
Talagay ng tulo.
Bakit natulog?
Okay, then go inside. Yeah. Pogi, andito na. Andito na ang bida. Ay na. If you guys haven't caught up, the field is flooded, so we can't farm today. Sorry.
Okay.
This is my father's house that he's building, and then this is my aunt's house. So this area right here is actually the place where we first met the missionaries.
Really?
Yeah, this is where we met the missionaries, and then they referred us to the other missionaries.
That's so cool.
Baby kong maganda, are you riding the motorcycle?
Ayaw na. Natakot na kay Kato.
Tinatakot naman ni Katog. Itong mga ito, ba't yung tinatawag na Katog? Eh, zero mong pangalan, gandang-ganda.
Jomar!
Jomar pala, Jomar.
Pinag tayo sikat.
Hi. You like pandesal? Lolo Rico ate your pandesal. Ha?
Ayaw nga, tama. Kakainin ko yung kanya. Oh.
Tayo. Hi. Your smile is so big. Whee! Ay, tuloy-tuloy yan. You like it?
Sarap.
Sarap?
Oo.
Oh, aba, love. You be careful.
Buti mo naman.
Is it good? You like it?
Well, this was surprisingly fun. Like, we're just having a great time hanging out here, riding the longboard. The kids had so much fun in the water, playing with toys. And we're just all chilling and watching these guys work, and everything's so laid back and beautiful. Just the scenery is just gorgeous.
Especially when you're in it.
Aww, cute. Reina is being adorable with Lolo and Lola. What do you have, Reina? You like bread? Yummy.
Mama, can I help?
you already see that guy down there? Not sure. Let's go ask. You used those words. Hello. Would you like another bread?
A few hours later.
Okay, so it's our first time going to a ukay, which John tells me is like a thrift store. So I love that. And the kids need new clothes because they've been growing like crazy since we moved here. So let's go find some clothes for the kids.
Love, you okay? Sweaty?
It's hot.
I know, me too. I'm like sweating. So far we have like 3 that we found. I'm not sure, but it looks so pretty. What the flip?
May ano? Lalabon lang.
Tai.
Hindi yung sa...
It's too big still.
Siguro.
That's adorable.
Yeah, is it the right size for them?
Too big. Way too big. It's ripped. Never mind. Baby Ray.
Ang mga pawis natin.
I know, kaya. Hello? Ate! Ate! Ligo ka na eh!
Like it? You can sneak around and look in that mirror.
Yeah. That ukay-ukay was a great experience. Napakaganda ng experience na yun, pero it was short and it wasn't the best place to go ukay-ukay or to have a first experience para sa mga bata at kay Lora. But I know there's a lot more ukay-ukay dito sa Calapan. So don't worry guys, we will make a video where we actually go to the rest of the ukay-ukay here. Doon sa iba pang ukay-ukay dito sa city namin. Kasi I think that's a great experience para kanila Lora. Also, it is so cool that the kids had that experience to hang out in the province for a day. At first, we were like a little worried kasi yun nga, yung sa simula, yung plano namin nasira agad. Pero we got there, we had fun. Yung mga bata ito sa putik. And then the longboards was amazing. I'm so glad that I finally got that longboard in the mail. And don't worry about the farming. Lora did get to go in the farm. Nagtalo kami later on that week anyways. So stay tuned. That vlog will be coming up soon. Thank you for your guys' support. You guys are been amazing. I don't know. We're almost at 60k. I believe just less than 1,000 subscribers more. So please hit the like button. Subscribe if you guys haven't subscribed. Comment. Napakasarap magbasa ng mga comment, lalo na kung mga taga-saan kayo and how you feel. Even those people that doesn't think that we're doing the right thing being here in the Philippines and whatnot. Anyways, we love you guys and we will see you guys later. Bye.